welcome back. Feeding the kittens. I know they look so old, but they actually like being syringe fed. And let's feed it. Come here. Come here, it's okay. I know they look so big, but they actually like being syringe fed. They won't eat it any other way, so we have to feed them one at a time. And they only need about that much. It's okay. It's feeding time. Are you not happy? Oh. Let's give her a break. She's gonna want more in a minute since she tasted it. But we have to give them a break till we won't choke them or give them too much at a time. We'll hurt them. Here. Lean their head back. Here. Ooh, dang, girl. Well done. I barely even pushed out on the syringe because we don't want her drinking too much at a time. Well, the girl we already fed, and the other boy we had to feed. The boys look just alike. Just letting you know, too. Won't think that I'm feeding the same one over and over. Well, it's time for you to go back. Let's take you back out there and get your little brother. Well, they're the same size. Hey. Okay, we got the other kitty. Let's shut the door so she can't get out. I know they look just like, don't they? Look. They look just alike. Okay. My brothers play wrestling with his dog.
Alright, dog, stop.
Remember, only that much. Oh, good. Let me split a little. Here, let's reweigh this. Let's see, where's that? Remember, only, crap, this is hard. That much. Only that much. No more than that. Give them a break. Okay. Ready? Now, what you want to do to the kittens, you want to barely tap on their back just to, if they have to like burp some up, that's what you do. You tap right from right here down gently. You ready to burp? You want to burp? No? Okay. That's a handsome boy. And that is how we feed the kittens. The girl one, she's been fed, but I wish I could have videoed it when I was feeding her, but then I just remembered, so yeah. And when you want to pick them up, sometimes like if there's a stray cat about this size or yodel, you want to pick it up by the strap of the collar. And it looks weird from the front, yes, but it actually keeps them where they can't scratch or bite you. And then you can help them out. Yes, there was a pit bull with puppies running the street, and the puppies, she let us to the puppies, but we couldn't take them because she was really mean. But we're going back here tomorrow, and we're going to get the puppies and mamas, and we're gonna save them. So yeah. You want more? Sometimes I'll let them have a little drink out of the thing. Right? Oh yeah. She really doesn't. She'll drink it either way out of that or this, but she mainly prefers the syringe more than that. See, she'll just walk away. Oh, hush it. I know. There. Okay, you want the syringe again? She does not. Why am I saying she? He does not like to drink it by himself. And we are getting rid of the kittens, so if you guys can adopt one, that would be nice. And you can come and you can take one of the kittens, because we're trying to get rid of them because they're weaned off their mother's milk and they want to go. So, ow, hush. I'm getting it. Let her drink that bit. Lean back. Ooh, girl. Let's give her a break. Come here. We're tired. Come here, no. I actually spoil this one more than the others. And actually feed this one a little more than the others. Get off your back. You know how to be fed. Start doing it. Come on. We're not forcing them to eat. We put it to their mouth like this. And she'll open if she wants it. If she doesn't, she'll keep her mouth shut. Want more? Oh, you do? Okay. Let's give you a break. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Hi. Hi, are you new here? Hi. My name is Alessia. I'm just joking. His name is, I forgot it. Oh my god. We probably ain't gonna name him. But if this was his name, I'd probably name him Jack. Huh. You would like that name. Okay, let's finish feeding you. Want some more? There's just a little left. This last of it. Good. Was that yummy? Say that. That was Tommy. That was yummy, 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 yummy. Woohoo! I did it. Boop, boop. Boom, boom, boop, 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 boom, boom, brr, boop, 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 boom, boom, brr, bing, brr, boop, 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 brr. Okay, I know you got a full tummy. All done. Nice and done. We'll feed your brothers. I know, you want to go potty or poo. Okay, I'm sorry this is the end of the video, but like, subscribe, and put a thumbs up, and we'll make sure to donate one of these cats to you if you want them. Goodbye.